Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Emmy here today. I have to welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you so much guys for lovely comment and supporting. I was reading all the comment that you left for me. It really mean a lot to me, and I really appreciate that you guys take time to write me a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I was very super exciting today to show you my newest junk journal notebook. This month I was planning to make a lot of vintage sewing theme for the junk journal notebook, which I want to make it into the TN size journal. This journal is approximately 8" and 4" and it was containing 50 pages, and you can count back and front is about 100 pages. You have a lot of room for journaling. I was adding a lot of interesting pages from the vintage advertisement, vintage ephemera, a lot of vintage die cut, a lot of journaling card, and it's very good fun to make this journal. Also, special thing I was adding into this journal is I was been collecting a lot of vintage linen crochet. I got it from a weekend market and some of the antique store, and I was been collecting this for quite a while now, and I was planning to turn this into the digital paper, which I already finished make one that I will using in this junk journal. You can see it's turned out very lovely. And I was planning to give away this vintage digital paper for all my subscribers to be using for their project and anything you want to use. And it turned out very lovely when you was print it out and put it into your journal. This is one of the pages I was using my printable from the vintage linen. So this will be a giveaway for my subscriber, and I will be announcing into another video that I would like to make, and then you guys can be able to use that into your junk journal notebook or anything you want to use for your craft project. So I will go quickly with you guys about this journal, and then after that I will do a flip through video with you so you can see all the page that I was putting together into this lovely junk journal. I have to say this journal is really fun to make, and it will be a really good gift to someone who loves sewing. It can be present for your mom, your auntie, your grandma, or your friend who loves sewing. And this journal is for sale on my eBay store, and I was shipping worldwide. I will have a link of the description of my shop down below this video. And from a lot of previous video, a lot of people was asking me where I get my vintage ephemera from, where do I get the page from, and where do I get all the paper to decorate my journal. I have to say that I've been collecting a lot of vintage ephemera for years, from Pinterest, from Google, from eBay, and from many sources. And I also collecting and make it into my own digital paper. So if you was interesting, you can be able to look up my eBay store, which is the shop of my the link of my shop is down below the description, so you can be able to check it out if you're interested where do I got it from, and you can be able to purchase it. And for this journal I was using the very hard cardboard, and it's very strong and steady. I was decoupage the simplicity vintage pattern into the cardboard from the to make it into the back and the front cover to decorate it. And I was also having a fabric sample, and I was gluing into the paper. Also, I also gonna adding the vintage bottom card as the gift to whoever bought this journal notebook. So I will go with you guys all the way through how this journal look like, and I will just I'll do it now so you guys can see what is inside this journal, and I hope you will enjoy watching this flip through video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I still will come up with more and more of the vintage sewing ephemera junk journal theme. I planning to make about 4 or 5 of them, so stay tuned guys if you really like this kind of journal. And I hope you have a nice day and enjoy watching this flip through video. Thank you.